Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to run a Nexus node right on your Android device in 2025. If you are into decentralized networks or just looking to contribute to the Nexus blockchain while on mobile, this guide is for you. So, let's dive right in. First, Nexus is a decentralized quantum resistance blockchain protocol, and running a node helps us strengthen the network and earn some rewards. While traditionally nodes run on desktop or servers, there is now a way to run lightweight nodes on Android. The first method is using Termux, a terminal emulator and Linux environment app available on the Play Store or F-Droid. After installing Termux, you will need to update your packages and install a few dependencies like Git, wget, and Clack. From there, you will clone the Nexus GitHub repository and build the node right from your phone. Now, this won't be as fast as running on a PC, but it does work and can sync with the network if you have a decent space and stay connected to the power in the internet. Alternatively, the Nexus team has been rolling out Nexus Mobile Wallet features that allow live node capabilities. If you just want a basic participation in sending, receiving, downloading the Nexus wallet from the official site or trusted app stores is much easier option. It doesn't run a full node, but still interact within the blockchain securely. Just a quick heads up, running a full node on Android will hit your phone and drain your battery. So always do this on a device you're not using daily. Ideally, connect to Wi-Fi and a power source. And that's it. Whether you're going to full node Termux route or using a mobile wallet, you can now support the Nexus network right from your packet. Thanks for watching. If this helps you out, be sure to like and drop a comment if you have any issue and subscribe for more tech and blockchain guides. See you next one.